What's up YouTube? Joe at JustJeepIt. How you doing? Cool little video for you guys today. One of the things I've been putting off is replacing the U-joints on my double cardan drive shaft. One of the things I hate about changing U-joints is trying to find a good place to hold it and put it down so you can bang the U-joints out and put the U-joints in. Sometimes it looks a lot like this. Just get this. Okay, we can obviously do a lot better than that. So today I'm going to build a bracket that will be able to hold the drive shaft hopefully that'll make the U-joint install a whole lot easier. So all it's going to take is my 2x6 that I had laying around. So let's see how this works. I'm going to build it and design it as we're going. So let's see what happens. Let's roll. All right, so I guess the first thing we should do is measure the overall length of the drive shaft. All right, 32 inches, totally compressed. 32 inches, so let's at least cut the base. Let's see, how long is my bench? 39 inches. I'll make my base 36 inches. It'll give me a couple inches on both sides. Okay, 36 inches. All right, let's cut it. All right, so consider this the base, and really the next two pieces you want to build is, I guess, are these little brackets right here that will hold up the drive shaft when you're taking out, when you're banging in and banging out the U-joints. So this is a socket I have. It's 30 millimeter. So you want to make sure you use a socket that is bigger than the diameter of the U-joint you're pushing out, because if you don't, then when you're trying to force that U-joint through, it'll just hit the end of that socket. So you want to make sure you have something that is a larger diameter than the diameter of the U-joints, and that's what this is, 30 mils. And this one is 3 inches. So, okay, so obviously you need to make something, some kind of sorcery magic math. 3 inches. Again, we're designing and building at the same time, which is fun actually. So you need to make something at least 3 inches, but also compensate for the distance. So when it rests in that little V-notch, it's exactly 3 inches. So I'll do that math off camera here because I don't want to embarrass myself. And we'll figure out what that length is. I'm assuming I'm going to make it a slightly taller, maybe, I don't have 12 hands here, maybe like 6 inches. And as long as, and this is 2 inches across, because I have a piece of pipe here that's the exact same diameter. I built my own drive shaft one time, and that's the drive shaft width, so 2 inches. So you want to make sure that when you cut the V-notch that it is able to hold the 2-inch wide drive shaft diameter as well as meet the 3 inches on that socket. So I'll do the math, and then I'll show you what I did when I figured it out. Cool. All right, so here's what I came up with. Looks like a little Batman mask. All right, let's test fit. That's nice. Again, this is just real quick and dirty, but that lines up nice. And then what we'll do now is we'll make another piece for that end and get it all evened out and space it out. And that should do it. Super easy, just 2 little pieces. All right, let's get that other piece built up. And here we are, folks. This looked really nice. So just kind of imagine we're doing some U-joints. Man, this sure beats holding this and figuring if I could just get this, figuring out ways to not go crazy. Oh yeah, that's money right there. So what we'll do now is we'll just screw these to the base, and that literally should be it. Pretty easy project, didn't really cost anything, just a little bit of time and tools I already had, so that's awesome. Well, that's about it. Just wanted to give you a quick flyby, what it looks like. I've already screwed in the, I guess the uprights to the base. And that's about it. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll answer them. But super easy. I hope you like the video, and I hope this is useful. Part 2 of this video will be installing all of these U-joints. Because this is, I believe, probably the original U-joints from '99. So got some nice Spicer factory U-joints that we're replacing. So we're going to get a good test run of this. So take care of yourselves, take care of your Jeeps, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.